Hey everyone, so today I wanted to do a video over the new Miss Meyers Daisy, which some of you probably already know has been released. I think it came out in January or early February this month. I'm not really sure, for sure. But I haven't smelled it yet, so I wanted to smell it, my first impressions. I did a pear tree video, the pear tree that they did for fall last year. With just a first impression, but I didn't try the product, so this time I was like, maybe I should try it, because after I tried it, it actually was a little bit better than what I first said. You know, that can kind of change when you try things or use things longer. You might change your mind, but I did want to kind of do a little bit better of a first impression, so I'm gonna try everything. I got everything at Target. Actually, I saw that they had him at there, so $4 for each thing. I got everything, but I did notice on their Miss Meyers that they have a little candle, but it's sold out. And then I was actually, funny enough, I was on Grove yesterday and I saw that they had the candle, but then also it must be a Grove exclusive, but they have the room spray. And I've, done Miss Meyers videos a lot. I'll link a couple of them in the description, the pear tree one, but I'll also link my new impression of the pear tree. It's part of a holiday video, because like I said, I used it more and then I realized, hey, I actually like it better. But yeah, I just kind of want to show you me using these, but I got those off of Grove, so as soon as they get here, the candle, the little candle, and the spray, I will do a video over those. I don't normally like candles, I've talked about in my other videos, because I just don't smell them as good. They're kind of small, so they don't really spread out, the scent doesn't really spread out that great. Maybe different ones, I don't know. I've tried a bunch of different ones I thought would be better, but I just end up putting them in the bathroom and you can smell them while you're in there. And they work great. So this is a limited edition, so they're probably only gonna have it around the springtime. Probably gonna have it for a few more months, so if you really want it, I would go ahead and get it before it's all sold out, or they just don't do it anymore. I'm gonna smell the soap. I'll try to smell all of them. But the soap usually gives you like the best kind of example of what it's really going to smell like. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Like I said, I have not smelled these. Actually, let me try doing the little sticker, like the little sticker scent thing down here. Close that. Yeah, I actually don't smell anything on there. So hopefully that's not a bad thing. Or these just don't work very well. Usually they do, because I've tried smelling stuff before I bought it, but okay, it's not working. I don't know why. All right, so first impression, let's see. I'm kind of nervous. It actually smells really good. It's kind of like a very spring citrusy kind of smell. Like a little bit of lemon, maybe. What's in here? And just so you know, Miss Meyers is always vegan, so that's really helpful. That's why I love them too, and they're leaving money, of course. That's why I use them. Citrus, I smell that. Maybe a little bit of grapefruit. It says grapefruit peel oil. Maybe smell a little bit of that. Mandarin, yeah, maybe a little bit. Now I don't know if it really smells like a daisy. I would have to have a daisy on me, but I think I've smelled daisies before. It's not exactly that, but it does smell really good. There's like this other scent. Maybe it is the grapefruit. I think I am smelling grapefruit. It's a good thing though. It smells really good. Like it smells very fruity and like spring. So let's just smell this one. Okay, that one smells pretty much the same. Let me get the thing off of here. These kind of are hard to get off. Yeah, it's not as strong as the soap. So I'm actually glad I smelled the soap first, because the soap's usually a little more potent than everything else. So, but we'll try and just see if maybe the smell changes. Right, these ones are kind of difficult to get off. If I can't get it off, I will be spraying it anyway, but let me see. It's kind of more of a subtle smell. When I spray it, I'll see what it smells like. It might be better when it's sprayed. but it's not very potent, and it doesn't really smell like this, but we'll see. Maybe that will change. First I'm gonna try this, and then this. So let's go ahead and do that. I think this will be a good surface to try it. Try the spray. Okay. Okay, let's see. Works really well. They always do. Yeah, I can definitely smell it a lot more now. It smells a lot just like the soap. It's not as strong still, but it smells a lot just like the soap. It smells really good. So I'm sure if you spray this more, a lot, like in your room, and you're using a lot of it, or in a room. Like if I was to do the entire kitchen counter, there's a lot to the counters. It probably would smell so good in the kitchen. So yeah, I actually give the spray a big thumbs up. It, just like I said, when you smell it in the bottle, it doesn't smell as good. So I will do that from now on. So now I'm gonna clean a pan. It's not too weird of an angle for you. This little thing off of Grove, I think I spent like 15, or maybe I got it for free actually, I don't remember. But it's just supposed to kind of help keep. So I'm gonna put it a little bit in there, and then you kind of scrub it up. Good way to keep your dishes clean. All right, so this pan's a little dirty. All right, so. You can see it's getting all of that. Actually, cooked man wipes in this with my vegan ground beef, of course. So yeah, you can see it's really scrumming off here, and it does smell really good. A lot of times I'll use dish soap too. I'm just gonna put a little extra on here. I also use dish soaps to let things soak, because sometimes, you know, you can't get things off right away off of the dishes. But yeah, I can just smell the aroma. It smells really good. It's all in the air. It smells so good. So you gotta push down really hard and then turn. Sometimes they're really annoying. But, all right, let's try this. Pump it a few times. It smells really good. It doesn't have a very strong after scent like a lot of Miss Meyers does. Try it again. It's really great if this would come in a foaming. Yeah, it's not very strong in my hands. Let me dry them though. Maybe that will change. Yeah, I don't really smell it on my hands. So that's kind of the downfall. If you kind of wanted that lasting hand smell, I don't smell it. So that's probably, you know, if when you're washing your hands you can smell it, and I usually do. So yeah, kind of weird, but still I would maybe get it and just try it and see what you think. So with that being said, I would still try all three of them. Just the hand soap's a little disappointing because, like I said, I can't really smell it on my hands that great. And yeah, now that I know that grapefruit's in there, I really smell the grapefruit. But that's a good thing. I like the smell of grapefruit. I've had a few scents I would skip out on, but really not that bad. But yeah, check them out. Tell me what you think. If you've already checked it out, tell me what you think. But this is just my first impression, and I will see what the other ones are like. Well, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.